Me's not ready. Me's not ready. Me's not ready, 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 ready. Heading to my first session for the conference today. I just slept in. Oh, is that a lizard? I don't know if it's a Canon or a Sony. Either way, I have a camera, but until I'm comfortable using my phone, it doesn't really make sense to me for me to bring out this camera. Y'all need to see me in person. Like, this fit on camera is not doing it justice. This fit in person looks so cute. I have a hat. I got a hat because I don't own a hat, and I'm gonna go on vacation throughout the next, like this week and the next. So I'm in Disneyland, Disney World, Disneyland. I don't even know what it's called, honestly. Long as I'm not paying for it. This is my outfit. My outfit. Fit check. Fit check. Fit check. Fit check. I'm gonna put on my hat. And I got my shades, y'all. I am ready to go. Final outfit. Me's not ready. Me's not ready. Me's not ready, 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 ready. So I'm at the airport right now, and I'm just doing work till like 7 really. Connect to the Wi-Fi. It's a really, really nice airport. It's honestly the best airport that I've been to thus far. Because Boston Airport trash, JFK trash, LA trash. So, really 1 in the morning. I'm so fatigued and tired. Our flight was delayed for 2 hours. Dos. Ni. Do. 2 hours. Hey, I gotta do my hair. Because it's been a week. Gotta wash her. Running on an errand. I'm picking up some fish for my mom. I just finished my mold. So I just put a hat on top of it. When I get back, I'll like flat iron it and everything. Right now, I just want to get this errand out the way. This is my outfit. Really, really calm. It's a short walk. It's raining though. So, I'm running my errand. Getting ready to leave for family vacation. Just finished packing everything. That was a whole thing in and of itself. But done packing. I did my hair, washed it, flat ironed it, styled it. So I might just like rest for a little bit. Right now I'm transferring a bunch of files to my USB because my computer is so full with videos, essentially. So.